Welcome back. Let's look at this question. A ladder PQ is placed against a wall so that the foot of the ladder is 1.5 meters away from the bottom of the wall. So here this is 1.5 meters away, and then the ladder is 2.5 meters long. This is the length of the ladder, right? Determine how high the top of the ladder P is above the ground. So we're looking for this height here. Okay, how high is P above the ground? That's what we're looking for, right? If you check here, this ladder forms a right angled triangle with the wall, so it means we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find this missing side. Remember what the Pythagoras theorem says: the hypotenuse squared is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we can say here 2.5 squared is equal to RP squared plus RQ squared, and then RQ is 1.5, right? And then you write your reason Pythagoras. All right, we want to find RP squared, so we can subtract 1.5 squared from both sides of the equation, and then we'll remain with RP squared is equal to 2.5 squared minus 1.5 squared. Remember, I said you can also start with this step and then you write your reason Pythagoras. Still okay, right? And then what we do next, we square root both sides. You square root this side and then you square root this side, and then the square root and the square, they cancel each other out, isn't it? Then remain with RP is equal to the square root of 2.5 squared minus 1.5 squared. Then you can put this whole thing in the calculator as it is, okay? And then must get that your RP is equal to 2 meters. It means the height here is 2 meters, right? B, if the ladder slipped down by 0.8 meters, right? How far away from the bottom of the wall is the foot of the ladder, right? They say the ladder slips down by 0.8 meters, right? Now this is the new top part of the ladder, and then now this one is going to move. We're going to have the new Q there, isn't it? Right. So what is the height here? What is the height here if the ladder is moved downwards by 0.8 meters? You say 2. Remember, for RP we found that RP is 2 meters. So you say 2 minus 0.8, which is 1.2 meters. Okay, so it means here is 1.2 meters. Then we need to find this distance, right? Remember, the ladder does not change. It's still 2.5 meters. Okay, right. Let's say this is Q2 here. So Q2, okay, right? And then this one is Q1, the first one. So now the ladder does not change the length, so it's still 2.5, and it is the hypotenuse here. So it's going to be 2.5 squared is equal to the 1.2 squared plus the new RQ, all right, RQ, then 2 squared. Okay, that's what we want to find here. So we're going to subtract 1.2 squared from both sides of the equation. So RQ squared is equal to 2.5 squared minus 1.2 squared. Okay, remember to write your reason Pythagoras, right? Even if you start with this step, you must write your reason Pythagoras there. Then square root both sides, then get that RQ, our new RQ, is equal to square root of 2.5 squared minus 1.2 squared, and then must get 2.1931722 meters. Then we're required to write our answer in 2 decimal places. So the new RQ is equal to 2.19 meters. So the question was, how far away from the bottom of the wall is the foot of the ladder, right? So it is 2.19 meters away from the bottom of the wall.